Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name's Gina and this is Miss Bonnie Faye. I have an EarFleek for you today. It comes in this little outside mailer, then there's a little inside bubble mailer. This is one of the most budget-friendly subscription boxes you're gonna get. I think it's like $3.49 a month. You get one pair of earrings. So it's just a little happy every month if you're on a budget. So once you pop into this little pink bubble mailer, you finally get to your little earring goodie baggie. So let's pop this open. Got the little EarFleek tag in there. They always say that they're worth like, well, this one says $12.99. Normally it says like $15. I don't know if that's true or not. Normally I don't really agree with that. So let's see what I got this time. Now on their website, they do have a swipe game where you know, can like or dislike the earrings and they can kind of get a feel for the stuff that you want. So this is what I got today. Cute little triangle with some cute little danglies. They are metal danglies. One of them is more straight, one of them is more curvy. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. Let me just pop one in real quick so we can see what they look like. What are you doing, Miss Bevy? Oh my goodness, big old yawns. Okay, can you see it? It kind of is hidden in my hair, but that's what they look like. Actually, I probably don't look bad with my outfit today, but I went with the big old crazy hoops that I got from Rocksbox. All right, well, I hope y'all enjoyed this little short that I thought I would throw on my page. Y'all have a wonderful day and God bless. All right, just a quick note. When I took this off and put it back on, I started getting little black stuff all over me. I guess it's got black paint or something on the stem. So it kind of freaked me out a little bit. So yeah, these are not the highest quality earrings in the world. They are $3.50 earrings. But if you just need something quick and easy, you want a little happy, there you go. Y'all have a wonderful day and God bless.